thought this thing out well. It was carefully planned. I should be a billionaire by now. Unboxing sometimes might not be all that pretty. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Lola Lagos here again. Thank you for joining me. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell below so you can get notifications every time I post up any video. Let me tell you a quick story. So I ordered this particular set of goods before Christmas because I wanted to sell some of these things for Christmas. I wanted to sell Christmas lights. There are Christmas lights in there and some decor, and that was the main reason why I ordered this set of goods. So usually I'm going to one day talk about how I order goods and all that, but these goods come in two sets whenever I buy them. Anything that's liquid and uses battery comes in a set, and whatever isn't coming in another set. Sure, you see that one that isn't, it comes very fast, like in a week or so. But now for this particular good, and the one that is liquid comes like 2 weeks after. So that one I don't usually expect it until later, 2-3 weeks. But you see that one that comes in a week, see that one that's liquid, I did not really put my mind to. That one came in a week. So you can see how this life is. This thing came on the 31st. I cannot tell you how painful it is. It came on the 31st of December, yes, 2020. And I ordered it for Christmas so I can sell these things for Christmas. In fact, I even had a special order. I had someone that ordered Christmas lights, which I will show you when I unbox. I had someone that ordered Christmas lights and I was so giddy about it. I was so happy to sell Christmas items, but then life happened. So let's just unbox and have fun with it, shall we? So this one that came in, it's 12.1 kg if I'm not mistaken. So it's not as big as the other ones that I usually get. Ow! This is the bulk of it. Yeah, this is all of it. So I'm just going to put it down where you will not see, and I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to show you what is in each box as I do that. Okay, so this is the first item. It's all rumpled. So let's just pray whatever is in it has not broken. But here we go. This thing, never easy. Very stressful. Woo! Okay. I'm going to undo this right now. This is a glass. See, this is what I love about these people. When they package something for you and you'll be hard. Because look at this. Look at this. Like if you blow itself, nothing will happen to anything inside. And it's glass that is in it, because I know because I already saw the flowers. I just ordered 2 pots of this because I wanted to see what they look like when they get here, and they are amazing. Oh god, this rose looks beautiful. Pots. So these are the base. That hold them. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I didn't know it was this big. Ah, awesome. Oh, okay. I'm going to stop doing that because I'm just going to put this in it. Look at that. They're just bottles, same size. So if you want this, you can head on to my store, the Lola Effect NG. It will be in the description box below. Oh, these are quite thick. The way these things are amazing, they're so amazing. Like when you see them, they look so nicer than you expect. Not all of them, obviously, but we were taught in a way that when you buy things, oh, this particular set of goods is from China. I'm sorry, I've been speaking without giving that information. So like they always make you feel like China things are not like great. Look at this. This is so real, so nice, so thick. You screw this part to the wall, and then your toilet paper hangs in the back. I'm going to put a picture so you can see what it looks like and how it works. This is gorgeous, and I can't get over the Ziploc bags. Woo, I'm having a swell time. Oh my god, these are the Christmas lights. I'm literally going to cry. Oh my god. Oh my god. They were so dope. Oh, this is so not fair. Oh god. Now Christmas is over. So what do I do with this? Let's see if I can plug it up and show you guys how it twinkles. I was going to have the sickest, most beautiful Christmas lights in the whole of Lagos. And just look what these people did to me. I am in pain.
I am in pain. I am in severe pain. I can't touch this neck anymore.
Huh. It's not fair. But for them to wrap it this well, it's probably something that can break. Oh. These are these are oil burners. You put tea light candles in here, you put oil in here. I just saw them for like the cheapest price ever, and I just got them. So you put your tea lights in here, you put the oil in here. Fragrance oil, essential, anyone, doesn't really matter. So you put in here and then burn the oil. Oh yes, these are lights as well. Oh no, I will plug this up for you to see, but I'm not putting it out like those ones. These are nice. Okay, these are flower pots that I've got. I always have people asking me for flower pots, and then I just like this one because it has rustic vibes. It just sits pretty. Anyways, and it's big. It's not as small as the other ones that I have. So I have this in pink and in other colors. Winding down to the end of this video. This is so light, I cannot tell what it is. Oh, I can tell something that's going to make me cry. This is a Christmas tree that I bought so that people like me with tiny houses don't have to buy a tree. It's just supposed to be like a tabletop Christmas tree. But you guys, look when it came. I'm so upset. Look how pretty this is. Huh? I'm coming. Give me a minute. Let me go and cry. are decor items. I'm sure you can't see them, but I'll also post a picture up. For you to see how these are used. It also came with fishing line. So you literally hook the fishing line to the beds. They are called akuzo or something. I don't know. So you hook them up to this and then they just float in the air. And then with this as well. So I got 30 pieces of this and I got 70 of this. Event planners use them a lot. But I was going to use them for someone's interior decor. If I ever get to use them, I will show you guys how it's done. So I was expecting a much bigger case, but this is where all my money went. All my money. So we've come to the end of this video where I unboxed quite a number of things and then my late Christmas trees, and it was really fun to shoot. I really love opening up new stuff and unboxing new stuff. And then I also showed you that unboxing sometimes might not be all that pretty, but the excitement is definitely real. Also tells you how hard business can be, how unpredictable it can be. There's some things that you buy and you just feel like, oh, this is gonna sell, everybody's gonna rush me and I'm gonna make so much money, and then you buy it and then they either don't deliver on time like my case, or you buy it and people don't ask and you're like, I thought this thing out well, was carefully planned, I should be a billionaire by now, but it's just not working. So these are one of the issues you go through in business. And then I hope, or I will try to speak more about this business and show you more stuff. I always have cute things. I'm pretty sure you like all, if not all, some of the things that I showed on here today. So posting or getting these interior things make me super duper happy, and I am glad to share that with you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Kindly subscribe, watch more of my videos, and comment below to tell me what you think about this video, what else you like to see, and anything at all you want to tell me. I'll be here to listen. Till my next video. I really enjoyed doing this with you guys. See you guys later. Bye.